Welcome back everyone. Let's take a look at what I am unboxing today. It's actually for Jayda. She went back to school today and she got herself a gift and she said, I bet you won't do an unboxing. And I was like, yes I will. So let's take a look at what it is. Ta-da! And no, it's not sponsored. It's the Mepal Lunchbox medium. It's Nordic black and it's 0.9 liter. It's also in 0.8 and 1.5. So let's take a look at it. Oops. And that's your divider. So you could just put it in like this. You put your bread on that side and your fruits on that side, or whatever. Two bread. Nice Nordic black. I think there's also blue and silver, and maybe a few more colors. So that's it. Jayda's lunchbox. And if you're wondering who Jayda is, you could check out Jayda plus Lance and more. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so thanks for watching. Really short video. Have yourself a wonderful day.